Hi, my name is Natalia Willette, and I'm a real estate and estate planning attorney here in the state of Florida, and my law firm is LCO Law. Today, I wanted to talk to you about foreclosure sales. If you're interested in the types of videos that we have and getting information that is up to date on how to protect your real estate business or how to plan for your family's estate, subscribe to our channel. You can also call our office at 813-480-2106. So like I was saying, today we're going to talk about foreclosure sales, and we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is due diligence. Due diligence means doing the research required to make sure that what you're getting into is what you really want to get into. And so I wanted to discuss a little bit the difference between due diligence when it comes to the physical aspect of a property versus due diligence when it comes to the title issues of a property and the possession issues of a property. So physical due diligence means that you're taking the time to go and look at the property that you are going to be bidding on, or you're sending somebody, if you're out of state, you're sending somebody local to go check out the property for you, to go take pictures. They might not be able to enter the premises, but at least going outside of it, where the address is, checking it out, will give you a good idea on whether you are calculating the right bid price, whether it's something that you really want to invest in, whether the neighborhood looks like it's promising. All of those aspects go into doing physical due diligence analysis of the property. Physical due diligence also involves looking through the building permits, seeing what kind of upgrades, improvements, changes, additions, modifications have been done to the property that are available in the public records. And if you have the opportunity, talk to the neighbors, talk to the occupants. That is also part of physical due diligence, in my opinion. There's plenty of people that are occupants that are willing to let you walk in, see what the structure is like. So whatever you can do to determine the physical condition of the property and whether it suits your needs and whether you've calculated the bid price is something that you must do, because you're investing tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars into this particular bid. Title due diligence, on the other hand, involves looking at the chain of title history on this particular property to determine what kind of work is going to be required to get it cleaned up and marketable for a future purchaser or for a refinance lender, so that you are qualified, good to go, or so that you get that purchaser that's happy, ready, willing, and able, and their lender is ready to pay the money down for that particular property. So title due diligence involves observing the chain of title, right? It involves seeing what mortgages are out there on it, what kind of liens are out there on it, getting estoppel letters. If there's an occupant, you need to see, as part of your title due diligence, are there leases involved? What are the deposits that have been paid for these leases? What are the terms of the leases? Can you get copies of the lease agreements if possible? How long have the tenants been there? So all of these things are part of the title chain. If you're buying it at a foreclosure, obviously you're not going to have the same kind of opportunity that title due diligence gives you when you have a title company ordering a title commitment, and the parties involved are the ones that can order the payoffs and things like that. But you still have the ability to get a lot of information by looking at the parties named in the foreclosure action. Are they the same ones showing up on that chain of title history from that title pool that you ordered? Are their names spelled correctly? Are the legal descriptions reflected correctly in the foreclosure proceedings? Is the legal description matching the address to the property? That's something that sometimes gets overlooked and sometimes results in having to do significant title cleaning litigation. If there's a meets and bounds legal description, can you follow it, and does it close? Or is it a legal description of something that doesn't close and would therefore create a big title issue? So those are the kind of title due diligence assessments that you need to make before investing hundreds of thousands of your dollars into a particular piece of property. All right, so that is my recommendation as to general guidelines for you investors out there regarding the difference between due diligence as to the physical structure of the property and due diligence as to the title history of the property when you're going to bid at foreclosure auctions, whether they're mortgage foreclosures, lien foreclosures, or HOA foreclosures. You want to be looking for the same things. My name is Natalia Willette. I am a real estate attorney and estate planning attorney here in the state of Florida, and I wanted to say to you, good luck out there, investors.